Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe. Today is March the 28th. Hopefully you're having a great day. In my journey to 250k, I'm currently at 135 for 413, so down by about 0.4%, which is about 500. For the week, down by about 4.8%, which is about 7,000. For the month, I'm down by about 7.7%, which is about 11,000. 3 months, down by about 6.1%, which is about 9,000. Last year, up by about 51%, which is about 46,000. So right now, I know we have a lot of things going on in the market. We do see the 10-year Treasury bond looking like it's going up. We actually have crossed 1.6, so I expect the market to be a little bit underperforming just because a lot of sell-off will be happening. I don't know on your end, but I'm just also learning how to be super patient and also just making sure that I don't think too much about the market. If you've made your picks, even if they drop, if you have extra funds, you may add more, or just be aware that things are happening that you can't really control. It's not like the companies you picked are bad, but in some instances, which I'll be covering in a short while, we have some stocks which get affected a lot by everything going on. So just a reminder, please subscribe to the channel. We're growing very fast. Right now we are past 250 subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Click this video and give it a thumbs up if you like the content of this video, and let me know in the comments section how you're preparing these red days and how you're weathering the storm. We'll be covering NIO today. So currently price is at 36.45 and it's down by about 3.98%, about 4%, just changing real fast. You can see for the week it's down by about 17%. For the month, down by about 20%. 3 months, down by about 22%. For the year, still up by about 1,100. So what's going on with NIO? So one, we do know we have a chip shortage right now going on, and I'll show you an article that kind of went out like a few hours ago, and that's kind of screwing them up. I think they'll be closed for maybe a week or so. But the other thing is there's a lot of talk with the SEC drilling down on Chinese companies. I knew this will come down after last year. We started hearing talks of delisting and stuff like that. I did start getting out of several Chinese plays. I had like a used car company that I doubled some money in. I had Li Auto, which I came out of it earlier this month, and NIO is the only one which I will retain in my account. But if you haven't checked my other videos, I have 150 shares. My average is about $31 and I'm up 15%. I bought NIO when it was about $1, rode it up, sold it, and then got in. So whatever happens with this stock, I think I've made enough money to cover any loss that comes my way. But let's check the news. I do have a covered call which I got some money from, and I think it will expire worthless, so I did manage to retain the premium. It's about $5, not a lot of money, but just because the market was red, you have to find ways of just getting some extra cash here and there. So this was one of them. So let's check the news. NIO forced to halt production, lower Q1 deliveries forecast as chip shortage comes haunting. So let's check this Benziga article, and it says global chip shortage is severely impairing automakers as evidenced by an announcement from Chinese EV maker NIO. On Friday, what happened? NIO is temporarily halting vehicle production activity in the JAC-NIO manufacturing plant in Hefei for working days starting March 29. The company says in a statement. The stalling comes due to a shortage in semiconductor supply, the company added. As a result of this development, NIO lowered its vehicle deliveries forecast for the first quarter from 20,000 to 20,500 to 19,500. And why is this important? The news comes at a time NIO has been seeing a slight loss of momentum in vehicle sales after record deliveries of 7,225 vehicles in January. Sales declined month over month to 5,578 in February. This would have the company shooting for a target of 6,697 vehicles in March. In December's quarterly earnings call, CEO William Lee suggested the EV maker had sufficient chip supply to support production for the time being, but hinted at production getting hit in the second quarter. And we're starting the second quarter in a few weeks, so it sounds like most manufacturers are kind of in the same scenario. Tesla is, every other EV maker is. So if you're in those places, you have just to be aware of what's going on. Thank you for reaching this far. Really appreciate it. Be green, be safe. See you on the next one. Bye.